Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi extender app. First, download the official app for your specific extender model from your device's app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Next, plug your Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main router. Finally, connect your mobile device to the temporary Wi-Fi network broadcast by the extender, usually named something like Extender Setup or similar, before opening the app. Once connected to the extender's temporary network, open the app. It will guide you through finding available Wi-Fi networks. Select your existing home Wi-Fi network from the list presented. Then, carefully enter your home Wi-Fi password when prompted. This step securely links your extender to your main network, allowing it to broadcast an extended signal throughout your home, covering areas previously experiencing weak or no coverage. Now, use the app's built-in signal strength indicator to find the optimal placement for your extender. A good rule of thumb is to place it roughly halfway between your main router and the area where you need improved Wi-Fi. This ensures it receives a strong signal to rebroadcast. You can also use the app to adjust advanced settings, such as changing the extended network's name or updating security protocols for enhanced protection. The app also allows you to continuously monitor your extender's status and view all connected devices. If you encounter any issues, utilize the app's diagnostic tools to identify and resolve common problems, like connection drops or slow speeds. Furthermore, regularly update your extender's firmware directly through the application. This ensures you have the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements, keeping your extended network running smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.